Hello friends, in this video lecture, we will see components of data communication. Here, diagram of data communication is there before you, and with the help of this diagram, we can recognize fundamental components of data communication. That is message which is to be communicated, sender, that is also known as source, receiver, that is known as destination, transmission medium or channel, and protocol. Let's have all this one by one. First one is message. Message is basically information or data to be communicated, that is to be exchanged between sender and the receiver. And this message is the most important asset of data communication. We are having popular forms of information that includes text, numbers, pictures, audio, and video. Next is sender. The sender is the device that sends data message. It is also known as source from which message is transmitted, and sender can be a computer that we use, laptop, workstation, telephone, mobile phone, video camera, or any other device that is used to send data. Next one is the receiver, that is also known as destination. That is also device that receives message. As I have told you, it is also known as a destination where message is received or arrived. It can be computer, laptop, workstation, telephone, mobile phone, television, or any computing entity that is used to receive the data or where data is arrived. Next one is transmission media. It is either physical or logical path by which message travels from sender to the receiver, that is from source to destination or between two devices. This transmission media acts as bridge between sender and the receiver. There are two types of transmission media we use. Wired media include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Wireless media includes radio waves, microwaves, and different radio frequencies. And last one is protocol. Protocol is nothing but set of rules that govern the data communication, and these rules are designed by the designers of communication system, and that set of rules, that is protocol, represents an agreement between communicating devices, between sender and the receiver, or the agreement between the entities which involved there in networking. Without protocol, two devices may be connected but not communicating. Means there is a connection between two devices but there is no exchange of information between them. There are number of protocols in data communication in networking system. One of the popular protocol is FTP, that is file transfer protocol. This file transfer protocol is used to transfer file between sender and the receiver. Means at sender side we can send data, that is we can upload file, and at receiver side we can download the file. That is about different components of data communication system. So for more such videos, stay connected here with this channel, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.